This car is really interesting because it has an altimeter with a nose pitch system. The car hasn't been driven over 100 miles, so yeah, which after 18 years, so that's a big long journey. So guys, we're here to clean, not really clean, make the flow of the water clear for the garden to basically have a situation, basically not let that block the flow basically, which is interesting job to do, which is a more interesting way of me filming basically, because yeah, I'm using my phone. So this is second attempt with shoes, by the way.
برو ماشاءالله
بگو ماشاءالله
بیا 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 دستتو بده من بیا
واقعا
پله دیگه برو کار تمومه
دستتو بده دستتو بده
نمیشه.
برو خجالت بکش
Good morning everyone, welcome. And yes, we basically slept in the tent that this range Land Rover had. It was kind of comfortable, which was kind of shocking, but that situation going up there was freaking hilarious. Was it well worth it? Definitely. Like, I was like thinking, if I get something like that on a car, I'll probably break it on the first time. But doing it on someone else's car, no. I'm shocked that I haven't broken in. So basically, it's over our time for the water to be available for us, because we have at least a good 6 hours of restoring our supply of water for the plants, which are usually these types of plants, which I do not know what they're called in English. We call it like khar, I think, in Persian. Yeah, I came here just to see if there's any animal dropping or anything like that. So yeah, everything looks good, as in timing wise, everything according to my friend's dad. So yeah, let's do this everybody, let's be farmers. Nah, I'm not gonna be definitely a farmer. I don't mind to have my own garden, but not over a hectare. I was thinking that was a good idea, but no, not in this country, which is seriously hot for me. So yeah, this is it. This is a good bath if this was really clean water, like without the animal droppings as in the toilet. Like, we had something like something slightly better and more luxurious in our farmhouse that I couldn't really go because of that's the most scariest place to ever go in my granddad's farm, just because of it's filled with scorpions, snakes and this kind of stuff. Especially it's been abandoned for over like 30-40 years, so I don't know what the heck other types of animals there is. So it looks like the water's slowing down finally after 6 hours. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will be also creating a YouTube channel regards to I can't say the word, cinematic, because I was trying to do a time lapse sunset, but that also failed because this thing turned off and basically went back to video mode. I thought it was still on time lapse. That was a fail. I hope you enjoyed, and please subscribe. It would really help the channel. This is why you should actually bring your sunglasses if you think you don't need it. Just look at one eye, it's open, one eye is like, yeah. But I feel like nice and fresh, like despite I've just slept 45 minutes. Yeah. Despite this, it's pretty green here. I don't know why those sunflowers are not really like sunflower, especially the bigger ones. Maybe like the left side is a bit like active, but the other ones are not. So yeah, let's go back to the main show, which is in our family garden. I would say, I wouldn't say pavilion yet because they haven't really started it. So yeah, thanks guys, and I hope to see you in the next video. This is the morning and the daytime of the place that we were collecting the droppings of the boat from the sheets. So yeah.